Hello and welcome back to my channel. Sorry about the little break, I haven't uploaded in a while, but I've picked up a few new sneakers in the last couple of weeks, and I will be producing a lot more videos. Today we've got a sneaker unboxing from Adidas. So they come in the standard blue and white box. Got a size 9, might have been able to see there what these ones are, but these are the Adidas Pod S3.1s. Just chuck the box out of the way there. So we've got the black and white colourway, and that's it for the colourway really. There's nothing too fancy about the colourway. Predominantly black. You've got black mesh upper with a suede heel tab, and you've got, I don't know what material you would call that, but it's kind of like a really fine kind of mesh material. Across the tongue you have got this elasticated area. The midsole, so you've got a split sole there, so you've got a detached heel to the forefoot. The heel is made up of Boost, and the forefoot is just a standard kind of hard EVA foam. The comfort level on these is good, but I would say that the Air Max 270s are basically a better version of these. The 270 has got the big, obviously, air bubble on the back, where this has got the Boost, and the foam in the front of the 270 is just a lot comfier than these pods. I will actually be coming out with a in-depth review of the Air Max 270 and how I think it's a good sneaker. Basically, it's one of my most worn sneakers this summer, and I've got the all white colourway, so it's always going to be a good summer sneaker. So we've got the black and white pod. There's not much more to say about it. I probably won't be picking up any more pods in the future. It just, I don't know, it's just not quite for me. The sizing, I did get a UK size 9, which is my normal size, but I probably could have gone down to a UK 8.5. I did find it ran a little bit long, so just bear that in mind when you're purchasing them. Width wise, they're pretty wide, I'd say. There's quite, like, obviously that's quite a bit thicker in my hand, but I'm quite wide footed, so that suited me really nicely. But yeah, there's not really much to say about this. It's a nice sneaker, but probably not one that's going to be in my rotation very heavily. Yeah, let's get some on feet. So that's it for my review unboxing of the Adidas Pod S3.1s. I won't be copying any more anytime soon. I think these will be my only pair of pods. I'm just going to stick to the Air Max 270s. I think I prefer the style of them. I prefer the fit, the comfort of the 270. But check out my channel, subscribe. I will be doing unboxings. I picked up a new pair of Ultra Boost the other day. I've got a pair of New Balance 574s. I've got my all white 270s I'm going to do a review on as well, and I've got a few more cops hopefully coming in the next few days.